Let's be honest, the coffee date has become the beige cardigan of romance. Safe, predictable, and emotionally lukewarm. But what if your first date could actually tell you something real about the person? Not just their caffeine tolerance or whether they pretend to like oat milk. Today, we're skipping the small talk and diving into 6 creative first dates that reveal way more about someone than 2 chairs and a latte ever will. Dates that spark vulnerability, playfulness, maybe even the kind of honesty people usually save for 3 months in. So grab your tea. You're about to find out which first date idea secretly exposes someone's emotional wiring, including your own.
Number 1. Escape rooms, because panic reveals personality. Nothing exposes who someone really is like being locked in a room with a ticking clock. Will they lead? Panic? Crack a joke at the worst possible moment? An escape room first date is high pressure, collaborative, and brutally honest, without having to awkwardly ask about their favorite movie.
Number 2. Thrift store challenge. Judge character by quirkiness. Ever judged someone by their taste in mugs or disco pants? Thrift store dates are low pressure, hilarious, and secretly revealing. Are they impulsive, sentimental, or just genuinely weird in a way you'll adore? Psychology calls this behavioral sampling. Basically, how people shop says more about them than 100 icebreaker questions. Number 3. Mini golf or arcade. Playfulness reveals personality. Competitive? Laid back? Dramatic over a missed putt? Mini golf and arcade dates are basically personality tests disguised as fun. Pop psychology tells us that play activates authenticity. People are more relaxed, more mischievous, and more revealing when they're just having fun. Number 4. Cooking class. The heart is in the kitchen. Watching someone chop, stir, or dramatically taste test spaghetti sauce can be more revealing than an hour of small talk. Cooking dates invite collaboration, creativity, and a little chaos, all under the warm glow of a kitchen. Pop psychology suggests that shared tasks like this reveal empathy, patience, and even hidden romantic tendencies. Number 5. Nature walk or urban adventure. Authenticity in motion. Take your date out of chairs and into movement. A hike, a city scavenger hunt, or even a walk through a quirky neighborhood can reveal curiosity, patience, and how they react to unexpected moments. Pop psychology calls this contextual personality. People show their true selves when they're navigating real environments, not just cafes. Number 6. Open mic or trivia night. See their social side. Nothing strips away first date pretense faster than a live, unpredictable setting. Whether they grab the mic for a joke, sing a verse, or dominate trivia, you'll see confidence, humor, and how they handle spotlight moments. Pop psychology calls this social risk-taking, a subtle window into their personality, creativity, and ability to connect. So, which first date idea would actually reveal the real them, and maybe even the real you? Drop a comment with the one that surprised you most, or the one you're secretly desperate to try. And if you loved this, share it with someone who needs to stop doing the coffee date loop. Because sometimes a little creativity and a little courage is the best way to find connection.